Hello and welcome, guys. Thank God for that, it's just a slow 195. So, yeah, that's just a slow moving 195 to York. I thought that was the main attraction. No, it's not. That's 195132. We'll have a little bit of a stone blower train, not stone blower, yellow plant. According to Railcam, that's the category it is. According to Railcam, no one sighted it, so I haven't a clue what it'll be. But for now, let's just get to Huncoat station to see it. I literally realised, and now it's currently 3 minutes before it's scheduled to pass Accrington, and then it'll pass us. I haven't a clue when. Meh. So, tell a friend about it. The barriers have now gone down. Let's get ready to see whatever's running this. In all honesty, I haven't a clue. I'm going to go into a wet spot for no reason. I'm going to try and have a peek down the line. It's peeked around the corner. And it's getting ready to pass by.
The next train to arrive at platform
The announcement for the slower train to Preston has gone off.
Preston. Stand well away from the edge of platform 2. The approaching train is not
Here it
scheduled
is.
to stop at this station.
One of Network Rail's little things. I haven't a clue where that's going to and where it's come from. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.